How's it going? Stefan here. Hope you're all doing well. Today I am going to take us all through our new center console options, give you a bit of a run through of what we've been working on and why. So we'll get right into it. I'll grab the camera and start showing you these consoles. We'll take a quick look at all three models. 32, as you can see, we've done a bunch of different prototypes. 33, again, took a while to get all the clips perfect. This is in raw form, how they arrive printed. And then this is with our special paint, which just gives it a nice feel. So, the idea behind the consoles is, as our cars get more modified, we want more switches, more options to put. Obviously, how it's usually been done is drilled holes in the dashboard. That's what we're trying to move away from with these new inserts. So we've made these few options so that you guys can customize your own console, drill your holes wherever you want, put whatever accessories you want into them, and not have to modify any of the original parts. You basically just remove the old one and bolt the new one in. Obviously, you won't have a cup holder anymore and coin holder, but yeah, you got to make some compromises. We have made sure on the 33 that there's a nice cutout, because comfort is key, as we all know. 32 as well. Nice cutout at the back so you can easily open it. The only downside on the 32 one is that if you're going to be, well, you're probably going to be putting switches in here if you purchase one of these, is that you would either have to drill a hole out the back and route the wiring up and over, or you would drill a hole somewhere in the bottom of here to take the wiring out through the bottom so it doesn't go over the sides. Here's a quick example of the R33 console being installed. Simple, pop it back out, good to go. So this is PA12 nylon, all of them are. It's a very durable material, just to give you an idea of how durable the clips are. I'll break one on purpose, I've broken this one already, just to give you an idea of the strength. So there's a serious amount of force needed in order to break these clips. So that'll give you some idea of longevity of the parts and the material.